When the sun sets on London's streets, the shadows are dark indeed. From their lairs in dark crypts and abandoned places, the children of the blood come out to prey. The collective name for numerous cabals of charismatic yet vicious vampires, the children of the blood exert their deadly influence throughout London and beyond. Though rivalries exist, the clans follow their own strict rules of etiquette, preying within their own territories and congregating only to indulge in extravagant social gatherings or to perform dark and terrible rituals. Now, in this age of wonder, vampires have combined their centuries-old bloodlust with the marvels of science, discovering new ways to harvest that which they lust after. And recently, whisperings of a new power, a dark and terrible queen, have been heard. Some even believe that it is only a matter of time before the streets of London run red with blood and the vampires take control of the very empire itself.